Nefertia, it's your Dugdagen baptismal day. And this is the routine for the exercise. Stretching one, up, na. Stretch this one, two, and hold, and Jim. Okay, and two, do yang now. 4, 5,
Sa baas at ba?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Laki-laki ko no katiyan. Ay, binuang diya. Jim, okay. And then, have to do like this. Good morning exercise. Woo! This is your baptismal day. Up. Ari ka-ching. Ari ka-ching-ching. Ari ka-ching. Ari ka-ching-ching. Up. Oh, lay down again and then stretch the bend. Yeah. Is it that okay? Hold again. Hold.
Well, Michelle, on va plus là.
Again. Oh.
Yun, ito daw.
Go for yourself.
O, di lang bilang
No. She's running. Okay. Tito, lulu. No, it's okay now, yeah? Okay?
Oh, taas na.
Look, happy. Look.
Oh. Hey, Neferti.
Hey, City Lola, hey. Now we have to shower.
Yay, gumorong.
But Auntie Masil is tired. We sleep again. We sleep.
Oh, sleep.